Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First, bus. I go to school by bus. Second, sky. The color of sky is blue. Third, family. There are 5 members in my family. Fourth, tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. Number 6, cricket. Cricket is an outdoor game. Sixth, market. I go to market with my brother. Seventh, copy. This is my copy. Eighth, birds. Birds fly in the sky. Ninth, mango. Mango is my favorite fruit. 10th, rose. Rose is a beautiful flower. Thanks for watching.